Hey guys, this is Ben Albright with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. I'm here today to show you the 220 Sundeck Outboard Edition. It's a 2014 model year. Took it in on trade about a month ago. It's only one owner boat, freshwater, so come on and we'll take a look. As you can see, the interior is immaculate. This boat was kept inside, climate controlled. There's a storage compartment down in the floor. You have a head here. You can use that. Boat only has 51 hours on it. It's considerably low for 2014. We've got the analog gauges here, stereo system controlled here. Also moving forward up to the front, you've got storage compartments underneath both seats. We would love to have you come out. Again, this has been Albright with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. So come on out and check out the 220 Sundeck that we just took in on trade. Thanks.